Hello everyone! Welcome to our video about English vocabulary for ancient world. Column. A tall, vertical stone post used as a support for a roof or in classical buildings. Statue. An object made from a hard material, especially stone or metal, to look like a person or animal. Steps. One of the surfaces that you walk on when you go up or down stairs. Block. A solid, straight-sided piece of hard material. Pot. Any of different types of containers, with or without a lid, especially for storing liquids. Carving. A shape or pattern cut into wood or stone, or the skill of doing this. Jewelry. Decorative objects worn on your clothes or body that are usually made from valuable metals, such as gold and silver, and precious stones. Archaeologist. Someone who studies the buildings, graves, tools, and other objects of people who lived in the past. Wonder. A feeling or thing of great surprise and admiration, caused by seeing or experiencing something that is strange and new. Wonderful. Extremely good, great. Cheer. A feeling of happiness, being happy. Cheerful. Happy and positive. Help. The act of helping another person. Helpful. Willing to help or useful. Care. The process of protecting someone or something and providing what that person or thing needs. Careful. Giving a lot of attention to what you are doing so that you do not have an accident, make a mistake, or damage something. Beauty. A person or thing that is pleasing and attractive, especially to look at. Beautiful. Very attractive. Play. The activity of taking part in a sport or a game. Playful. Funny and not serious. Slanted. Sloping in one direction. Fortress. A large, strong building or group of buildings that can be defended from attack. Ruin. The broken parts that are left of an ancient building or town. Ancient. Of or from a long time ago, having lasted for a very long time. Explorer. Someone who travels to places where no one has ever been in order to find out what is there. Palace. A large house that is the official home of a king, queen, or other person of high social rank. Aqueduct. A structure for carrying water across land, especially one like a high bridge with many arches that carries pipes, or a canal across a valley. Maze. A complicated system of paths or passages that people try to find their way through for entertainment. That is the end of our English video today. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe our channel to support us. See you again in the next video.